We are not selecting a data in a randomly. We are selecting a data in a sequential manner. Like suppose we are selected a value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like you give AC1, OR2, CD3, MN4 and OS5. So once you assign the value, that value will be fixed. It will not change. In where? In your testing. In your testing. And one more thing. What you are doing, your value you are selecting in a sequential manner. Sequential manner means in training data what we are getting, first value we are getting, second after first will complete, second we will take, third second will complete, fourth will take, third will take, third will complete, fourth will take, fourth will complete, five will take, up to n number of times we can take the data. But in what manner? Sequential manner. Once you take the data in sequential manner, that value will be your, that data will be your fixed. If you want to change, if you want to replace, or if you want to add on the data, we are not having any access, so we can replace. Where? In your testing. Okay. In bagging and testing, any difference? No. Yes. We are having so many different things. Testing in your bagging. What we are doing in bagging, randomly we are selecting, we are making new record, and we are assigning a value. How we are assigning a value with the help of classes, zeros and ones. That we are zeros and ones, we are considering this class will belong to the zeros or this data will belong to the zeros group. And after that, if you want to replace the value means like OR, in place of OR you want to write the AC. You can having access to algorithm, we provided the authority, so you can change that data in your data set. If you want to change the value in your data set, you can change in your bagging. But in pasting, you are not having any access. You are not having any access. Like once you assign the value AC, OR, CD, MN and OS, once you assign, it will be fixed. It will be fixed. If you want to replace the value like OS, in place of OS you want to CD, if you want to replace the CD, it will be not considerable or it will not acceptable in your pasting. Understand now? Understood everyone? What bagging and pasting is saying? That in that thing, everyone knows that training data, big data and strong entity will be same. Only what we have to understand, we have to understand our concept. We have to understand the concept. In Ansible learning, all the data or all the syntax will be same. Only the concept will be changing. Like we before only we said, when you are learning any languages, any programming languages, when you are learning, in that thing, we have to write any program. We have to write any program like hello world, while, for, if statement, any statement you have to write. What we will do, we are having a concept is same. We are having a concept is same. Only what we are changing declaration. We have declaration, we are changing. Like suppose you are writing a code for hello world. So in that, suppose you are writing a hello world program for C purpose. What we have to write? We have to write the header file. Then after that, curly braces, printf and hello world. Same as for Python. What we are writing? Printf hello world completed. In our Python, in your Java, what we are writing? Public static void main, string args, bracket, curly braces, SOP, system dot println, hello world, bracket, completed. So what we are changing there? The way of declaration we are changing there, right? But in when you are learning Ansible learning, there what we are changing only concept. Only concept we are having a different. The way of declaration will be same. Way of declaration will be same in where all Ansible learning points. All Ansible learning point. We are what we are having? We are having a training data, weak entity and strong entity. So our way of declaration will be same. Way of declaration we are not changing. What we are changing only concept. Before in programming language what we are having? We are having a same concept. Same concept, what we are changing, the way of declaration we are changing. But in a Ansible learning, what we are doing, concept only we are changing. What we are changing, we are changing a concept. The what way of declaration will be same. This is the very important thing will be in your your Ansible learning. Why? Because in Ansible learning